In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact a real estate agent on Zillow 2026 guide. If you've been browsing homes and you're ready to move from curiosity to action, this walkthrough will show you how to reach the right professional quickly and confidently. Start by opening any active listing that fits your criteria. On the property page, look for the Contact Agent button, typically near the top or along the right side. Click it to open the contact form. Enter your basic details and, most importantly, write a clear message. State your goal in a sentence or two, whether you're exploring the property, need pricing, or neighborhood details, or want to schedule a visit. A concise note like, "I'm interested in touring this home and I'm comparing it with two others nearby," helps the agent understand your intent and respond with relevant next steps. It also helps to know who you're contacting. When you use the Contact Agent button, Zillow often connects you with a premier agent, a local buyer's agent focused on helping you purchase. If you prefer to speak directly with the person representing the seller, scroll down the listing page to the section labeled Listing Provided By. There you'll find the listing brokerage and the listing agent's details. For homes listed for sale, by owner, look for the property owner contact information in the overview. Choosing the right pro at the start saves time and aligns the conversation with your goals. If seeing the home is your priority, click Request a Tour and select a few dates and times that work for you. As part of the updated 2026 process, you may be prompted to sign a 7-day touring agreement. This is a non-exclusive, zero-cost agreement that simply allows an agent to legally show you the property without locking you into a long-term commitment. After the agent accepts, you'll receive a confirmation by text or email with the tour details. To improve your chances of a fast response, double-check that your phone number is correct, since many live connections begin with a quick call. Mention your readiness, such as being pre-approved or aiming for a certain move-in date, so agents can prioritize you in a competitive market. Finally, keep an eye on your Zillow Messages tab, where all conversations are stored for easy tracking. That's the process. With a clear message, the right agent, and a scheduled tour, you'll move from scrolling to stepping inside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.